How to do a food sensitivity test with Check My Body Health. So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll show you guys on how to do a food sensitivity test with the food sensitivity test kit right here from Check My Body Health. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get special discounts or special promos if you're going to purchase the sensitivity test kit right here from Check My Body Health. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. So here's how you do the test. So they have a section over here that tells you how it works. So first, all you have to do is activate your test online. So order your test online and activate it using the unique redemption number provided in your activation email. Afterwards, once you receive it, take your hair sample using our easy to follow instructions. We don't send out a physical kit. Our digital sample submission method is environmentally friendly and allow us to reduce our footprint. So just take a small sample of your hair just like this one over here. Afterwards, just simply send your sample to their laboratory. So package and send your sample to our fully accredited laboratory using the address within your activation email. So be sure to include the correct postage where applicable. And then lastly, you just receive your results. So you'll be notified by email as soon as your results are ready. So it takes around 3 to 5 working days from the laboratory receiving your sample. So 48 hours if you upgraded to their fast track service, and then you are pretty much done. So that's pretty much it on how to do a food sensitivity test with Check My Body Health. So again, if you want to do this, just simply click on the link in the description below so that you can now start doing your test right now. So that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.